अगर आप चाहते हैं कि गार्डनिंग में बिल्कुल कोई भी खर्चा ना हो तो क्रिजैंथेमम यानी गुलदाउदी के फूल से हो सकता है। बहुत ही इजी ग्रोइंग प्लांट है, कुछ नहीं, बस इसे अगस्त सितंबर के महीने में कटिंग्स लगाइए और सर्दियों में ढेरों फूल पाइए। बस इन्हें बहुत धूप चाहिए होता है। कई तरह के वैरायटी है गुलदाउदी में, कुछ मैंने इस साल खरीदे हैं और कई मेरे पुराने प्लांट्स से कटिंग्स से ग्रो किए हैं। ये मैजेंटा और येलो कलर के गुलदाउदी खरीदे हैं मैंने, ताकि मैं अगले साल पॉट्स भर के ढेरों गुलदाउदी के फूल बना पाऊँ। और ये जो ऑरेंज देख रहे हैं, इसे मैंने कटिंग्स से लगाए हैं। और ये पॉम पॉम वैरायटी है, इन्हें भी कटिंग्स से ग्रो किए हैं। तो चलिए देखते हैं कैसे सितंबर के महीने मैंने कटिंग्स लगाए हैं। यहाँ पर ये भी मैंने कटिंग्स से लगाए हैं, तो चलिए देखते हैं। ये सारे मेरे पुराने plants हैं। Chrysanthemum plants will survive in your garden the whole year, and I have found this plant to withstand the highest temperature and any kind of weather, showing no character difference. Sometimes the plant shows its best growth during monsoon. However, take 3 or 4-inch cuttings and place them in your garden soil. Cut the fresh, healthy apical part of stem and place them on soil. You can keep the old plant as well, but if the mother plant has dried and lost its luster, you can discard. After placing the cuttings, keep them under shade and water less. Then after 7 or 10 days, keep the cuttings under filtered sunlight. Then as they become bushy, keep the plant under full sun and add fertilizer to the plant for good growth. Here I am using soil compost mixed with river sand. As time will elapse, the cuttings will grow and become bushy, and you can trim the branches for much bloom. Now let's watch the update. These are the same pots, present day condition. So these are the flowers growing from cuttings. Friends, if you have a good variety chrysanthemum plant, you can make several cuttings and grow them. These are tiny ones, but never mind, flowers are always beautiful, isn't it? Okay, let's know its care and other requirement. Chrysanthemum will surely grow even if you don't fertilize or care for the plant. But good food and much sunlight for the plant will serve profuse bloom. Chrysanthemum needs good fertile soil with full day sun. During summertime, provide half day sun and good watering. Shower the plant during summer. A friend of mine staying in Kolkata has grown huge chrysanthemum in the garden. But here in my city, due to lack of sunlight, chrysanthemum will show its bloom during late winters, that is February end and March. For profuse chrysanthemum flowers, we have to pinch the plant often during October November. You may hesitate to pinch or trim the new growths, but for huge bloom and plenty flowers, you have to do so. During the plant growth, add a mixture of NPK, DAP, Epsom salt, or magnesium sulfate and single superphosphate mixed together in equal proportion, but only 1 spoon at an interval of 15 days. In between these two applications, you can add half mug liquid mustard cake fertilizer in very diluted form. Always keep in mind that liquid mustard cake should be applied to dry soil of the plant, and after you apply this fertilizer, keep the plant under sunlight, and the next day don't water the plant, and positively aerate the soil or dig the soil properly so that the root doesn't rot, or there might be fungus attack to the plant and the plant may die. Friends, wanna tell you, I enjoy with my plants. I never feel tired during gardening. Don't apply any conventional rule or theoretical method. Just enjoy and have fun and grow plants. Do nothing, just water them, and if you can't keep the plant alive, watch my videos. They will help you out. I am there to revive your plant. So quickly subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for quick notification. This is the yellow variety chrysanthemum, and I have bought this plant new to my garden a few days ago. The buds were very small and they have grown, and more few buds have not bloomed yet. They will grow soon. You can follow me on Insta and Facebook page, and the link will be added to the description box. Watch other videos on my playlist. So I was telling you about chrysanthemum. Here are some variants that are not showing buds also even, and this has happened due to lack of sunlight. You see, this is another baby plant that has grown from the mother plant in the soil, and I can see few more baby plants that are growing at the base. I'm sure the plant will flower in the month of March. नर्सरी वाले बताए थे कि ये बड़ी वाली गुलदाउदी होगी और बहुत बड़ी वाली फूल खिलेंगे। अब पता नहीं क्या होगा, लेकिन पत्तों से मालूम होता है कि ये शायद झूठ नहीं बोल रहे हैं। The yellow chrysanthemum is looking pretty good, isn't it? The species is good and large one. Next year I will make more pots and more cuttings through this plant. These are the dahlia plants. There are small buds and flowers have not yet bloomed. They need sunshine, you know. Here we have very little sunshine. The day temperature is 19 degrees Celsius, and during night it falls down to 9 degree. Sometimes pest attack, thrips and mites attack to chrysanthemum. Don't let the attack happen. Apply insecticide before any kind of infestation. I have applied 3 to 4 times during these 3 months. So that's all, friends. Bye bye.